Halfpenny Green information, Golf Juliet, India Mike Hotel. Fuel pumps, request airfield information and touches.
Golf Juliet, India Mike Hotel, Halfpenny Green, taxi holding point Alpha 5, runway 34 left hand, GH 1022.
Taxi and hold Alpha 5, runway 34 left hand, QNH 1022, Golf Mike Hotel. Golf Juliet, India Mike Hotel, holding point Alpha 5, ready for departure, set course for the overhead.
Golf Juliet, India Mike Hotel, runway 34, take off at your discretion, 330 degrees 17 knots.
Roger, taking off, Golf Mike Hotel. Speeds are low, T's and P's and limits. And we're up! Golf Juliet, India Mike Hotel, overhead 2000 foot QNH, setting course for the south.
Golf Mike Hotel, roger, no reported traffic south of the field.
Roger, Golf Mike Hotel. So the wind's blowing me about now, I tell you what. It was quite smooth after we departed off Halfpenny Green, but the last minute or two it's been quite bumpy. And the wind, I don't think it is what it was forecast at the minute. It's saying 35521. I've planned it differently than that. Now at the minute, I'm flying like 10-15 degrees right of my track. So now turn into 293. Out the way of this rain. Golf Juliet, India Mike Hotel. Overhead, Tenbury Wells. Going to be routing back to Halfpenny Green. ETA 1542. Golf Mike Hotel.
Golf Mike Hotel, roger.
Golf Mike Hotel, final runway 34 to land.
Golf Mike Hotel, runway 34, surface wind 340, 11 knots.
Roger, landing Golf Mike Hotel.
Golf Mike Alpha, holding Alpha 5, ready for departure.
Golf Mike Alpha is runway 34, surface wind 350, 06 knots. Traffic for you is 152 that's currently on the runway.
Golf Mike Hotel, runway 34 vacated.
Golf Mike Hotel, runway has now been vacated.
Golf Mike Alpha's rolling 34.